Hello students, once again we are here to solve the concept sheets. This time it's a degrees of comparisons in adjectives. Degrees of comparison. When we describe the quality of one thing or a person, we use the base or a positive form of adjectives. The comparative degree tells us which of the two things or peoples described has a greater degree of the quality mentioned, and superlative shows the superior more than 2%. So, positive degree, for example, good, comparative degree is better, and superlative is best. So in our first exercise, we have to fill with the suitable form of adjectives. Much, here much, we will write more, most. So positive is much, comparative more, superlative is most. So in the exercise B, C, D, E, F, you have to fill with positive, some here superlative or comparative. Degrees of comparison we have to choose from here. Prabha is the most, most is the superlative. That means she is the most honest girl in the class. The most, and you will write here superlative. The third exercise is fill in the blanks with suitable words in the following sentence. This pen is superior than that. It is comparison. In the B, C, D, you have to compare or you have to write the superior. Then in the fourth, change the degrees of comparison without changing the meaning. Sohan is as good as Rohan. So you will have to just change the degree. So Sohan is as best as Rohan. So in this all other exercise B, C, D, E, F, you have to just change the degrees of comparison without changing the meaning. Here also, Japan is the most prosperous country in Asia. We have to rewrite the sentence using more prosperous. So instead of most, we have to write the more. Japan is the more prosperous country. Japan is the will be not here, is more prosperous country in than any other country in Asia. Japan is more prosperous than any other country in Asia. So you have to write according to this in exercise B, C, D, E. So fill all these exercises, exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3, exercise 4, and must write your name here along with the date. We will once again meet in our new topic of concept sheet. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.